Only original olive oil is approved. We are entering a large olive farm where millions of olive trees are grown naturally.
Modern machines gently shake the trees to collect olives without damage.
This method allows harvesting millions of olives in a short time.
Now the olives are loaded onto trucks for factory transportation.
Okay, back it up slowly now. Clear on the left. Bring it back another 2 feet. This machine removes leaves, stems, and damaged olives.
Now the olives are washed with clean, filtered water. Only clean and fresh olives move forward in the process.
Oil is stored in temperature-controlled steel tanks.
The paste moves slowly through mixing olives. Batches are gently mixed for consistency. Batches are gently mixed for consistency. Olive oil. Remaining paste is collected as byproduct olive. Releases oil from inside the olives factory. Centrifugal machines separate oil from paste. The oil passes through fine filtration.
The oil is tested in quality control labs.
Experts check purity, color, and acidity.
Du har den här på gidsen, men just ställning.
Machines fill each bottle accurately. Same color bottles align on the conveyor. Oil moves to the bottling section.
Labels are applied uniformly.
Labels are applied uniformly. Caps are sealed tightly. Pure golden olive oil begins to flow. Pure golden olive oil begins to flow. Cold extraction preserves natural quality. Same color bottles align on the conveyor.
Cartons are stacked in the warehouse. Cartons are stacked in the warehouse.
Cartons are loaded carefully into trucks.
Cartons are loaded carefully into trucks.
Same color trucks arrive for loading.
The product is ready for distribution.
Pure golden olive oil begins to flow. Only original olive oil is approved.